Good evening, sir. This is K. Pranavi. My roll number is 234G1A0488 and I am from ECEB. So, my topic is strncat function. So, what is strncat function in strings? Strncat definition in C. Working of strncat function declaration. Example for strncat function. How strncat is different from strcat. Introduction. The strncat function is a useful tool in the C programming for concatenating strings. It allows joining two or more strings together, which are useful in various programming tasks. So, as we know that in strings manipulating functions, there are many types of function. In that, strncat function is one of the useful tool. So this strncat function is actually used to append or concatenating strings. Like when there are two strings given, then by adding these two strings, for adding two strings we use strncat function. So before going into the strncat function, let's see what is a string. A string is a sequence of characters treated by n group. Any task, any group of characters defined between double quotation marks is a string constant. String handling function. We need to manipulate strings in different ways to find the length of the string, comparing two strings, etc. So in this string handling functions, there are mostly used functions, that is sternlen, strcat, strncat. Sternlen is used to determine the length to find the length of the string, and strcat and strncat are basically the same. We'll see what is the difference in the next few slides. So what is a strncat function in C programming? In C programming, strncat is a predefined function used for string handling. It is only one of the commonly used function in strings. String.h is the header file used for string functions. The function appends not more than n characters from the string pointed to by the src to the end of the string, which is pointed by the dest plus a terminating null character. As we can see in this line, strncat function doesn't append more than n characters. If the user gives n characters, it just takes n characters and leave a space for the null terminating character, that is /0. Then the initial character of the string overrides the null character present at the end of the string. Thus, the length of the string just becomes strlen, test plus n. Working of a strncat. As you can see in this picture, there are actually a string 1, a string 2. By combining these strings 2, we'll get the result string 3. So in this diagram given, besides strncat function takes three parameters, say string 1, string 2 and n. Here string 1 and string 2 are strings where n is the integer data type. So by using the strncat function, we append this n number of characters from str string 2 to string 1. So how do we declare in strncat function? So as you know that before that writing any program, we have to know how to declare a function. So let's see how we can declare the strncat function. So cat pointer strncat parenthesis open char a pointer string 1 comma constant char pointer string 2 comma size underscore t n. That is string here string str1 is actually a destination string. Str2 is the source string which is appended at the end of the destination string 1. N is the number of characters of source string str2 that needs to be appended. So here is the example. So if there is only 5 characters of a source string, str2 would be appended at the end of the destination string 1. So the return value will be the function. This function returns the pointer to the destination string 1. So here is the program example for the strncat function. As you can see, we wrote the program. So we given the star1 and the star2, and later we get the output. So as you can see, this is how strncat function works actually. How is strncat is different from strcat? It is recommended by many of the programmers. Strncat is safe compared to the strcat because strcat does not check for the size of the copied data and copies until it goes to the null terminator. So as you see, the strncat does not actually follow the rule. No matter how many we are given, it just doesn't check it and it goes until it goes to the null terminator, which causes the problem or which doesn't give the exact output we want. So as you can see, it might cause a buffer overflow with the the instead of strcat, we use strncat, which checks the size of the copied data and will only copy n bytes. So in conclusion, strcat function is more safer than strcat function and it is commonly used in C++ or C language. Also, it is easier to use because it appends only specified number of characters to the destination string. Here is the note. strncat automatically adds null character at the end of the resultant string. Thank you.